Hi there, my name's Ronnie Ryan and I'd like to welcome you to this new online drawing course, Drawing 1. Okay, the course is based around the idea that the ability to draw accurately, that is in a realistic fashion, drawing what's in front of you, is an innate human ability. There's a confusion that happens generally around about the age of 10, whereby the system of drawing we have used up until that point as children is what I would term symbolic drawing. This tends to come over into when we then try to draw realistically, that a confusion arises and most people come to the conclusion that they cannot draw. It's not that they cannot draw, it's simply that they are not seen correctly to be able to draw. This is the main concern of this course. One of the problems that we've found in teaching students to draw is that they tend to draw what they think they are seeing and not in actual fact what is in front of them. The course draws quite heavily on work conducted in the 1960s by Betty Edwards in her book Drawing on the Right Hand Side of the Brain. Now, I don't intend to use the references that are in the Betty Edwards book because it can confuse the issue. I think the psychology is fascinating and I would recommend anybody to read the book. But for the purposes of drawing, I think what is important is to recognise the state of consciousness that we use to be able to draw accurately. How that comes about, although the psychology, as I say, is fascinating, is not what I'm primarily concerned with on this drawing course. The materials list for this course have been stripped back to simply the essentials. The only thing you will need for this course is an A4 sketch pad, a 2B pencil, an eraser, and if you have a drawing board that would be handy. But that's all that you will need. Some of the exercises in this first assignment may seem quite elementary. However, I ask you to give your best effort to any drawing that you're doing, and the reason for doing it will become apparent later. I want you to date and keep each drawing as you do it in order. Now, there are timings next to each drawing, and the idea of these timings is this is the average that I would expect you to spend. But it's also to prevent you going over time and maybe putting too much detail into something. So please try and stick to the actual times given.